Welcome to the AI Voyage. Today, we're exploring how anyone can use AI technology to enhance their home gardening, even on a budget. Let's uncover how you can nurture nature right in your backyard. Be smart, use smart gardening apps. Imagine having a botanist in your pocket. With smart gardening apps, you essentially do. These apps use AI to help you identify plant species, diagnose diseases, and provide tailored care tips. All you need is to snap a photo, and instantly, you'll receive detailed information about the health of your plants and actionable advice on how to look after them. It's like having a plant doctor on call 24/7. Second on the list, automated watering systems. Now, let's talk about watering your garden the smart way. Automated watering systems can be set up and controlled right from your smartphone. They use data from local weather forecasts and in-ground moisture sensors to determine when your plants need water. This not only saves water but ensures that your plants are hydrated at the perfect time. No more guesswork, just happy plants thriving under precise care. Moving on to soil sensors. These handy devices are placed in your garden soil and continuously monitor conditions such as moisture, pH, and nutrient levels. Linked directly to an app, these sensors send real-time alerts and suggestions to your phone, helping you adjust your soil conditions to promote optimal plant growth. It's like getting a soil report from a lab, right in your backyard. Coming up, garden management softwares. Planning is key in gardening, and AI-powered garden management software makes it easier than ever. These tools help you track plant growth, set reminders for planting and harvesting, and even suggest the best plants to grow based on your specific climate and soil conditions. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned green thumb, this software acts as your personal garden planner, keeping you organized and informed throughout the season. And last but not least, DIY AI kits. For the tinkerers and tech enthusiasts, DIY AI kits let you get your hands dirty in the best way. These kits allow you to build and program your own AI tools, like automated monitoring systems or even simple garden robots. It's a fun and educational way to bring cutting-edge technology into your gardening routine, customizing tools that meet the specific needs of your garden. From the convenience of mobile apps to the hands-on fun of DIY projects, AI technology is accessible to gardeners of all levels, helping to make your home garden more productive, less wasteful, and a lot more exciting. Thank you for watching. Please find some useful links in the description of this video that will help you with your gardening project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with how AI continues to change our world. Until next time, keep growing and keep exploring.